keep it on the road. Oh, you're already recording?
Yeah.
And the Canadian Mist, Bob
Well, I just started.
Comedy All-Star Tour coming to the Jefferson Theater. Plus, you'll see Brian Hayner, Bob Zaney, and Flukeman Greg Ward.
And don't forget about me. And I'm bringing my band, Donnie Biker and the Four Pistols. I swear to God, Lee Ross.
Get a shot of that after winning that way.
Beaumont Civic Center box office
Good.
and all Ticketmaster outlets. Media subject C. Brought to you by Big Dog 106. Sounds like a pretty good show.
Fire hydrant. Get the fire hydrant.
Regular oil changes help protect your engine. Get in the zone. AutoZone. Right now at AutoZone, save money doing it yourself. When you buy an oil change jar of Castrol GTX conventional oil and Bosch oil filter for just $14.99. That's right, a complete oil change for just $14.99. Restrictions, details in store. At AutoZone, we give you even more than a great deal on the right price. You can count on AutoZone to give you the expert advice you need to do the job right the first time. Get in the zone. AutoZone.
Are you terrible at remembering names? I'm Matthew Girk, America's memory trainer. I'll show you how to meet 50 people or more and remember all their names instantly with the memory switch. Now, in the memory switch, I'll show you how to recall names, dates, facts, figures, even technical data in seconds and remember it for
Feel like
years.
that?
Try the
Did I just
memory
press that
switch
button?
risk-free.